Good day everyone, my name is John Chris. I am a student under the course of Computer Science, major in Intelligence System, and on this video, we will discuss the protocols that governs the exchange of data in network communication. First, message encoding. Message encoding is where a message that usually composed of sets of Unicode characters are transformed into a sequence of bytes and converted into signals or waves, then transmitted through a medium that can be wired or wireless, then received and decoded by other devices, which is the receiver. Message formatting and encapsulation. Now here, both parties, the sender and receiver, should come to an agreement to what kind of format the message should be. For example, how the message is arranged, so that both parties have no trouble understanding the message. Now at the same time, the receiver should be able to identify who is the sender of the message by receiving also the source address. This is where encapsulation comes in. The message should include some information, for example, the address of the source, so that it can be easily identified by the receiver. Thus, we are not just basically sending data assets in the network, but also the source information as well as the destination information, so that the right sender and receiver are both identifiable. Here, for example, we can see the source IP address and the destination address of the message that will travel in our network. Moving on, message size. Similar how we humans break a long message into smaller parts or sentences for easier and faster in understanding, the computer also breaks large size message or data into smaller packets, especially if the link can only handle limited amount of data in transferring. Here we can observe that the message being loaded due to the number of transfer the network is handling. Message timing. This focus in flow control. Let's say that PC number 3 is the sender and a fast computer means that it can send data at high speed. However, PC4 is a slow computer. PC3 can continuously send data to the receiver, but the receiver cannot receive them all, risking data loss. This highlights the need of flow control in communication, so that communication won't be meaningless. Message delivery option. There are 3 types of delivery option. First is unicast. Unicast, where there is one sender and one receiver only. It is commonly referred to as one-to-one delivery. Multicast, where there is one sender and multiple receiver, commonly referred to as one-to-many delivery. Last is broadcast, where there is one sender and all connected devices are its recipients, commonly referred as one-to-all.